Imagine waking up 90 days from now as a millionaire. No more worrying about bills, no more 9-to-5 stress, just financial freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's actually possible if you follow these 7 millionaire secrets? In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 powerful secrets the rich use to make money fast. Most people don't know these, but today, I'm giving them all to you, so stay until the end because secret number 7 is a total game changer. Hit that like button if you're serious about building wealth and subscribe because I drop new money-making strategies every week. Secret number 1. Master a high-income skill. The first step, you need a high-income skill. If you're making $20 hour, hitting $1 million will take forever. Instead, focus on skills that pay $10,000 plus per client or deal. Here are the fastest ones to learn: sales and high-ticket closing, real estate coaching, luxury products copywriting, and digital marketing, ads, funnels helping businesses grow, investing and trading crypto, stocks, flipping assets, and automation services helping businesses integrate AI tools. If you charge $5,000 per client, you only need 200 clients to hit $1 million. That's just 2 to 3 clients per day for 90 days. Secret number 2, sell high-ticket offers. Most people try to sell cheap products and wonder why they're broke. If you want to make $1 million fast, you need to sell expensive things to fewer people. It's called high-ticket selling. For example, sell a $10 product and you need 100,000 buyers. Sell a $10,000 product and you only need 100 buyers to hit $1 million. Secret number 3. Use other people's money. 6 o'clock to 8:30. The rich don't use their own money, they use other people's money, OPM, to get rich faster. Here's how you can do it. Raise capital from investors. Find people willing to fund your business. Use business credit. Banks will lend you money for the right business plan. Partner with wealthy individuals. Offer them a percentage of the profits. Example: imagine you borrow $100,000 to flip real estate. You find a deal, renovate, and sell for $150,000. That's $50,000 profit without using your own money. Do this 20 times, and guess what? You just made $1 million. Secret number 4. Scale with online income. 8:30 to 11 o'clock. The fastest way to scale is through digital businesses. Why? No inventory, low costs, and unlimited reach. Here are 3 proven ways to make money online. Launch a digital course or a book. People pay for knowledge. Start a dropshipping or Amazon FBA store. Sell without inventory. Monetize content on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram ads. Sponsorships. These methods can print cash while you sleep. Don't wait, start today. Secret number 5. Invest and flip fast. 11 o'clock to 13 o'clock. If you have capital, investing can skyrocket your wealth. Here's what works fast: crypto and stock trading. High risk, high reward. Flipping houses or cars. Buy undervalued, sell for profit. Domain flipping and digital assets. Buy websites and resell the keys. Buying undervalued assets and selling them high fast. Secret number 6. Monetize attention. 13 o'clock to 15 o'clock today. Attention equals money. The fastest growing millionaires are influencers, YouTubers, and digital creators. If you can get people watching, you can make millions. Ways to monetize attention. YouTube and TikTok equals ad revenue plus sponsorships. Instagram and Twitter equals brand deals plus digital products. Email lists and blogs equals passive income forever. Even one viral video can make hundreds of thousands. Secret number 7. No distractions, just execution. 15 o'clock to 16:30. Here's the real secret. You have to go all in for the next 90 days. You need 2. Nitrogen monoxide. Netflix. Nitrogen monoxide parties. Nitrogen monoxide distractions. Only money-making moves. Now that you know the 7 millionaire secrets, what's stopping you? Drop a comment below. Which strategy will you try first? Like if you want to be a millionaire, comment your money goal. Subscribe for more money-making secrets. Let's get rich together. See you in the next video.